Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. We are live, and I'm thinking about going long. Man, this thing is just going to go straight up again at the open. What the world? I'm actually thinking about doing it. Hey, good morning, Vincent and Ella. Timbo, good morning. Nathan Ramirez, good morning. R5 Studios, Terry W, Jagraj, Matty Matt, good morning, Matty Matt. Micro Player, Traitorous Chick, good to see you. Dean Bishop, Tinoosh, Nathan Ramirez, Jack Wiley, Rippin' and Dippin', Naruto, Benson, Arrow Squad, good morning. Cly, good morning. Niles, Dantaloy Dan, Movie Spot, Best Guest Trading, Saral, good morning. Jim O, Artie Trades, John King, good morning. G Fuzz, good morning. Plan to buy a trade copy, Replicanto and Affordable Copy Trader. Which one should I buy? John, if you're strictly doing it for copy trading, I probably would recommend Replicanto. At least that, I guess that's what I use. So it would be kind of dumb not to recommend what I use, right? Okay. I am thinking about taking a stab here. Where's my ATM strategy? Gotta take her L right here. I don't usually trade the open here, but I'm gonna give it a shot on evals. On evals, we're gonna give it a shot. Yeah, affordable indicators is a good copy trader as well. Yeah, they're definitely a good option. The man, the myth, the legend. He's back. Good morning. Garrett Hare, good morning. Keone, good morning. All right, just let's see if we can't. Want to see, I mean, if we start getting a nice move, I'm going to see if we can't rip up through here. But got to get going. Wish we'd already be ripping here. That's making me nervous. Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Hey, I sent you an email about Apex. They just shut down many of my PAs accusing me of hedging. I used two different. Check it. Oh, Alleviera. Yes. I did get your email. I will respond to it, but I will need your trade logs and I'll tell you what I need. And yeah, I'll help you out. I did get your email. Sorry, I was busy last night and did not get a chance to respond yet, but I will. I just discovered this yesterday. In ATM more options, there is an option to set stop loss to be stop limit order instead of default. I do remember Keone Borge. I do know that there is such a thing. I remember I used to use it. I don't know if I actually. All right, I'm starting to get a little concerned about this. Can't seem to get a. We should have already ripped higher if this really was gonna do it. You would think. Might be time to kill this trade. I mean, maybe we want to come touch the open here. Give it a chance. I'll give it a chance here. Of course, the one day that I decide to trade the open, we go sideways and choppy. All right, maybe we want to test this opening range here, and then maybe we get a dip. Maybe we get a dip buy here. Or we could just see this thing completely rip through it. Either way, we're not in big size here. Stop market is what will absolutely screw you, not stop limit. Okay. That makes sense. I do remember setting that up one time. Yeah, no problem, Olivier. I will. I mean, mistakes definitely can happen, and I'll help if I can. I just discovered this yesterday. Oh yes, Keone, I saw that now. Oh, it'll mess up in fast markets. That is the only problem, Siral. I do know that. If the fast markets happen, there's a chance you won't even get filled. That is the only downside. It can just rip right through it. All right, let's see if we can get a bounce here. If we don't get a bounce here, then I'm definitely out. I'm kind of okay right where my stop is. We get stopped out, it's okay. Took a couple trades in the overnight session. Overnight session was pretty ugly. It was very choppy, and I forget where I took my trades even, but I just got chopped around. Finally just got out at break even and called it a day. Not really good price action in the overnight, and so far we haven't really had that great price action in the day session, in the New York session. So I don't know, this could be just part of like the summer. It's not unusual for the summers to just be kind of meh price action. So I don't know, we might be in for a long summer if this is how it's going to be. All right, we need to get above this 22,090 here. And I'd love to see this thing rip and retake, test these highs up here at the 115s again, but we might not get it. If this fails to get above the 80s here, I wouldn't be shocked if we fall apart. What was... Just had a disconnect and a reconnect. I'm not sure what that was. Limit orders never get skipped by definition. If price crosses it, you get filled, Keone. Technically that's not true, I don't think, Keone. If you have your limit stop set, if price really goes quickly, like it would have to be a big event and it would drop, there is a chance you won't get filled. I believe. I mean, technically you should. It would have to be like a really volatile event. But that, like, basically if I don't know, how would you say? Yeah, a limit stop is different. That's the only risk of doing that. If it's just kind of normal, then it is better to use a limit stop. You're going to get a better fill if it's just normal volatility. But if it's high volatility, like a news event type of thing, could become problematic. Come on, market. Jeez, this thing is... it's not looking like it wants to... Oh, man, this is brutal. All right, I might have to kill this thing. Hello? What was that? That was some crazy lag. Jeez. Is Tradeovate lagging? Hey, good morning, Mad Cow in the building. Good morning. Yeah, that was crazy laggy. But this is starting to dump. I'm not... Yeah, we're just gonna wait. I mean, we had the low of the overnight session down here at the 22,000s. All right, do we need to look at taking some shorts? Maybe. See if it holds here at the 40s. Hey, good morning, Gizmery. Yogi Bark, good morning. The market is a turd. Confirmed. Confirmation. But yeah, I mean, right now with the price action we have, I'm only going to trade these evals. I'm not looking to trade my funded accounts. I might take a short here. Might take a short below the... Oh, you're used to... Other price action has been very muted and slow. Hey, freelance trader, good morning. All right, 15-minute range has been established from the 29s to basically 80 points. 80-point range. Now, are we gonna... Is this where we're gonna bounce? And it's tempting. Tempting to try to catch the bottom here. Let's see if this is gonna keep going, or are we gonna see what kind of reaction we have here at the 64 or 65s. This is looking like, see how we react here. All right, if we hold this, I'm gonna look for a long, but oh man. Yeah, was that the bottom? Yeah, exactly. Who knows? Feel like this is where we're gonna reject and make new lows, or we're gonna rip higher and this will be the low of day. I don't know what to expect, so I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Now I feel like if we trap here, I feel like we can buy above this. And if we make new lows here, then I feel like I don't know, I probably need to look at shorts. Wait, Alpine what? Now say what? Oh no, Timbo, are you serious? I didn't even see. Oh man, that sucks. What are the trade day accounts? The trade day accounts are the ELTD. ELTD. All right, right here you could take a short too. Kind of weird. Right now you could take a short right here or a long above that. I actually feel like might actually do this. Let's see. Feel like if we retest, we could make new lows. If we rip higher, gotta take my ATM not on. All right. Now we do this. Technically, my profit should probably be right here. Now, if we do, I don't want to get trapped here, though. Oh, this could be the trap. I thought it trapped one time, and nope. Now we might. Unbelievable. I can't trade this market. I just can't do it. Just getting trapped. Yikes. Yeah, we're going to get stopped here. Unreal. I mean, now I should go long, technically. I should go long now, but I'm not in the mood. Unreal. There we reach out to take profit trader. I can't. I'm sorry. I don't have any contact or anything at Take Profit Trader. Hey, good morning, John. Happy June 17th. Man, this is brutal. So choppy. I mean, I guess I should have waited a little bit longer, but I thought the first wick here was the trap, and then we didn't trap, and I thought that was okay to then short, but obviously not. But man, this is looking ugly again today. Ugly. More chop. Oh man, now I need to decide. Do I want to keep trading these accounts? These are my Tradeify and my funded future accounts. I'm gonna keep trading these. My take profit trader and my trade day accounts. Those evals are way more important to me than these. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna keep trading these. See if we can't dig yourself out of the hole. Log out your account and then send Take Profit Trader a message through chat on the webpage. They get back to you a lot quicker. Oh, okay, day trader. There you go. Maybe try that win. Hey, broke all day long. Good morning. It's great to be back. Happy June 17th, everyone. Design knob. Good morning. And this is difficult to trade here. So choppy. So choppy. Feel like now I'm tempted to short again. I gotta wait. We probably shouldn't be trading in this consolidation choppy range right here. But this looks like a better short now here. I don't know, man. Or this is just a pullback until and then we go higher. At this point, I think it's a coin flip. I think it's a coin flip, and this is just hard to trade. Remember the first time at the BDH, Pat told you you call a move, but you're late to it. You had the confidence, especially if you did something with his stop loss, which I'm not. Yeah, Darren Collis, I think there's Whoa, what was that? There's some news coming out. That was crazy, rip higher. All right, maybe we can get back above this 22,110s, 22,090s. Maybe we can get above that. You would be surprised how often the coin flip works. Hey, hey, true. More missiles equals bullish. Oh, really? Oh, Matty Matt. Oh, that's rough, man. That's so annoying. Some hot, humid, crazy weather coming our way. I did see that this weekend. It's supposed to get very warm. But you know what? Bring it on. But man, it seems like we've had a wet spring and now we're having a wet summer. The next 3 days is supposed to rain again. Tell you what, it's hard to work on my golf game with this weather we're having. All right, I definitely don't want to get long right here. Just gotta wait, I guess. We gotta wait till we get back above. We gotta really get above this 120. We get above the 120, then I think we take a short or we take a long. But we gotta get above 120. It's extremely humid here at the moment, Quancard. Hey, how's it going, Quancard? You're all amateurs. Hey, yep. Okay, the Fed is okay. Is it Thursday when we have Fed minutes, or is it the meeting? Let me look. Okay, FOMC at 2 o'clock rate. Oh, okay. So we actually have the Fed rates on tomorrow. Oh boy. Yeah, this could get it. We could just be in a choppy range today if that's the case. Yeah, Fed rates tomorrow. And then the Thursday, the market is closed, correct? Or at least I think the futures market is open. I think. I did go golfing yesterday. I did go golfing yesterday had a decent round, shot 9 over from the tips at a nice course. I was happy with it. Okay, here we go. Breaking out above the 110s now. We got to get above the 120s, though. Now we just got to get above that. And is this going to just pull back now again? Jeez. And we pull back all the way back to the 80s. Man, what a... Oh, yeah. This is painful. I mean, I'm kind of tempted here to try along. I feel like it's worth it. Oh, really? Now you didn't fill me? What the? Really? I'm gonna do it. Come on. Look at that. It filled me on one contract only. And now it's ripping. Whatever. Whatever, dude. On other news, I won 120 bucks on the US Open. Hey, let's go, Trip Moses. Okay, now we're filled. We might not want to be filled, but we are. Okay, where? I keep forgetting my ATM here. Oh, let's hope we don't just continue to get chopped around here. I know I'm kind of diddly in the middle here. It's evals. I'm definitely not interested in trading my funded accounts here. But I think, I mean, I'm okay taking a stab at this. Just gonna have to sit through a little bit of noise. The noise might get us. Trying to think where my stop is. This a good place for my stop? I think right here. Gotta take our L right here. Give myself a little wiggle room from this VWAP. Let's go make a push above the 120s. That would be great. Man, this is crazy. Don't diddle in the middle. Yeah, I know I'm diddling in the middle. I might pay the price. I might pay the price here. Yeah, I might just roll over now. I'm gonna hold. We're gonna respect the stop loss. Oh man. Oh man, this is just gonna be a long it's gonna be a long summer, fellas. It's gonna be a long summer if this is what we gotta expect. I'm still a little raw from Apex, but I'll go back eventually. Yeah, we're all glutton for punishment. Oh man. Yeah, John. I'm with you. Uh Hey, we gotta see it right here. Come on. I wanna see that big rip. Break above the 90s, then through the hundreds. Come on. Show it to me. It's so choppy and painful. Domestic geopolitical events coming this summer will have volatility. I mean, I do think we have a decent amount of volatility, but the volatility, I don't know. The problem is how the volatility is. It's just very choppy. All right, come on. Now we got to break through the hundreds. Let's go. Let's go. Problem with this is it can rip straight back down very, very, very fast. I'm gonna try to hold here. It's also kind of dumb to hold. Feel like just take my profit and run. Want to give it a chance to break through. Give it to me. Come on, man. You can do it. Pop it. Do it. Pop it. Mark it. Mark it. Market is testing my patience. Pop it right here. Come on. Nope. Can't do it. Come on. Go. Come on. Get through the hundreds here. Feel like I could take my profit here, but I'm being a little bit greedy. Trying to catch the move. See if we can't break through. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Push, push, push. And I pushed and I pushed. All right, I'm going to take it, I guess. Feel like I could have held there, but now it's probably going to rip through the 120s. Going to make me a little sad, but feel like I have to be, I don't know. Yeah, there she goes through the 110s now. Whatever. Whatever, man. It's fine. We get a pullback here. Oh, excuse me. And there we go through the 110s. Probably missed out on a nice move here, but whatever. Your accounts are as red as my hair. My hair is more orange on this. Actually, During the winter, when I would stay up here for the winter, my hair would turn a little bit more of a red. During the summer, it always turns very, like, orange almost. So, now that I'm going to Florida during the winter, I won't even have a winter, like, I don't know. It might just keep getting oranger and oranger. I don't even know. Okay, there it is through the 120s. Man, I don't know. We might have missed an opportunity there for a nice trade, but whatever. Now we got to make the decision is basically we have to decide, do we believe this uptrend? Do we believe that this is going to be a nice, slow, steady uptrend or not? I do tend to think we might have a nice move higher. So if we come back and retest this opening range high right here, I'm going to take a long and be long and strong. Watch this just go straight up now and won't even give us a chance to get in. That's usually what happens. Once we get the move, it just doesn't really give you an opportunity to get out or to get back in. But we're going to see if we can't jump in here. This is where the FOMO starts kicking in. Come on, give me just, I want to see like this opening range tested again. At the very least. Oh, it's not doing it. This is what generates FOMO, because you see these moves happen and it's like, man, you just almost have to jump in and hold on, or you're just not going to get part of the move, or you're just not going to participate. Hey, good morning, Roger, Sam, Max 90, good morning. Valterin, I will not dye my hair green. I promise you I won't. Hey, Francis, good morning. Hey, red to green, let's go, Orlando. I think we can go red to green today. Seriously though, market, I really do need this to pull back and retest this 10. Come on down, Charlie Brown. Come on, market. Don't be like this. Ah. Oh, this is so frustrating. Ah. And there we go, through the 30s. Unbelievable. This is so frustrating now. Come on, market. Give me a pullback. Don't forget me when you reach 100,000 subs. I'll never forget you guys. At the rate we're going, it'll be about 10 years from now, which is totally fine with me. Totally fine. Come on, Mark. I'm seriously. This is where you start to convince yourself that you just gotta jump in. You gotta jump in, and then you get trapped at the top of the range. But trying to be patient. I'm trying. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Oh. Oh, see now I'm a little bit scared. Oh, this is always how it goes. When you finally get the pullback, it's like, whoa, maybe I don't want that. Man, this is what I wanted. Where do I have my stop here? Probably, man. I think I'm gonna have to put it like right there, I think. Now we wait. Let's see if it's gonna be continuation or not. Who knows with this market? It's just one of them things where we could just dump and do the V-shaped reversal lower now, or we continue higher. But retesting that 15-minute, I think it's worth taking a stab at this. Get a big pop higher right here. Come on. Give me that big pop. Mary's going to be very, very phosphorus. Kiona. We just swept Asia highs. Could be in for a deeper pullback. Citizen Zero. I hope you're wrong, but you might be right. You definitely have a point. Feel like if I was being really safe here, you know what? I could take a little bit of this off. I will. I'm going to do it. I'm going to just take. I need to redo. That's one thing I wish it would redo. I wish Ninja Trader, if I take partials, I wish it would automatically adjust my quantity on my ATM strategy. All right, you know what? I'm just going to have my stop right here. I'm just not in the mood to go through a huge drawdown. If I get stopped out, whatever. It's basically a break-even trade. But I do want to take. I want to. Don't do it, Matty Matt. Don't do it. Just live vicariously through me. And then when you see me take a loss, you'll be like, "Ooh, glad I didn't do it." Would you, Antony, would you let your 21-year-old self or son day trade? And what is the one advice you would give? I wouldn't let them do it as their only thing, but as a side, like outside of their normal job, I would definitely encourage the learning process. Try it out, see if it is for you, see if see if it's something that you love to do. If you don't love trading, if you don't love day trading, like if you don't really love it, you will not make it. If there's one thing I feel very confident in saying, it's that. If you don't love trading, if you don't love it, you will definitely not make it, because you'll give up way before you become profitable, in my opinion. Right, Keone. I wish there was a way. Wait, Leo, are you saying there's a setting for that? Where? How? I would love to know. It's always been something that annoyed me. How do you change that? Which this wonder, you know what? Let me check. Maybe I can. I want to see if I can find a setting on it. Maybe there is a setting. See, now I almost want to add to my. I'm going to leave it. Okay. Close partial. Is that a. Leo. Where's Leo? Do you love living in a cardboard box under a bridge? Then trading is for you. And we're stopped. What the Sam Hill happened there? Jeez. This is brutal. Definitely doesn't take 10 years. No, it doesn't. Do you have the QQ on your display open at 30 minutes and give people some real info on reading can? We had a perfect top pullback. Hang on, I'm trying to figure out a setting here. Link order update. Linked all new orders to adjustments made to quantity. Oh, is it this? Allow multiple orders to be linked. I'm going to try this. Maybe this is it. I might have found a setting. I'm not sure. And I feel like that did me dirty, but whatever. Don't have the platform. I've done it on mine. Look around. I'm sure you'll find it. I think I found it, maybe. I kind of want to test it. I want to test it. All right, we tested the EMA now. Curious 30-minute chart. Look at this 30-minute chart. If this doesn't explain the issues, then I don't know what it's just a very typical. Who drew these lines? Because I didn't. I don't even know who drew these lines. What the heck? Not bad. Pretty decent. All right, I guess we're right back down below the 15-minute. Oh, man. Can you show us where that setting is? Well, see, I'm also not sure because um I am using I'm not using the default chart trader. Um maybe if you go here, maybe it's in here somewhere. Uh Here, quantity modification. Submit new order for additional quantity. No, that's not it. Scale quantity. What does that mean? Hang on, I gotta look at taking along here. All right, we're gonna find out if this works. Now I want to take off like a quantity of 2. I'm gonna do it just because I want to see if this works. So if I do, come on, market, go. Just give me a little bit of profit here, would you please? I want to test something for scientific purposes here. Should have probably waited to enter here until we're above this 15-minute opening range, above the 110s. This was a little aggressive, but we should be okay. Let's wait and see here. Come on, rip it. Higher. All right, I'm going to test. Come on, just give me a little bit. Give me something. Oh, come on. All right, I'm going to do it. Okay, so I did. Nope, that didn't work. Shoot. Well, okay, so that didn't work. I got to try something different. All right. Let's focus on this trade now. I don't know. I must have had the wrong setting. All right, I'm going to look for other settings here. You guys find it? That's the one? Oh, it is? But, okay. Okay, Leo, so you're saying that is where it is? So I got to find that setting because it's kind of confusing because I'm actually using Affordable Indicator Chart Trader. So I need to find that setting on their platform. I'll find it. Come on, market. Rip it. ATR, target, initial, exit on close. Okay, go, baby. Trailing. Limit if touched, enabled. Come on, market. Just rip it. I wish I wouldn't have closed that one now. Close early. Entry. Oh dear, what is this? Limit, entry, cancel, reject, stop. Oh man, I'm not sure where it is. Limit entry. Oh, less. I don't know. I give up. Link multiple orders. Come on, market. Anyway, I'll figure that out at another time and place. This could really be the start of this just continuing lower now. Really could. But we're in here. We're long. We're going to stay long. If you break the 30% drawdown rule one time on Apex, will your payout be denied, Leonard? I don't know. I don't know. I've seen people that get denied for it. I've seen other people that don't. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm using an ATM. Yeah, I'm not using an ATM this is from Affordable Indicator. Unless maybe if I just turn it on here, then it'll remember it. And we're getting stopped here. Oh, man. Well, there she goes. I tell you what, man. Brutal. Brutal. I don't even know why. Why? Are we just going to fall? Are we just going to... Now we're just in a downward trend here. You know what? I'm just glad I'm not trying to trade my funded accounts. Oh, I don't know, guys. Are you guys trading this? Are you guys having success trading right now in this market? I mean, I'm sure some people are. It's so weird how, like, this type of market, I'm terrible. I just can't. I'm just terrible. I'm a continuation trader. And right now, I am just, this ain't it. But I'm sure there's people that trade the range that are probably really liking this market. It just ain't me right now. So we're gonna figure it out using evals. We're gonna figure this out using our evals instead of funded accounts. Let's see. Maybe we want to retest the VWAP here and the open here. I don't know. Feel like right now in today's market, you just almost need to look at, like, I feel like support resistance is a better, like, has a, feel like trading support and resistance right now, you should be doing pretty well, I would think. Continuation traders, I feel like is brutal. Brutal right now. The problem right now with the continuation trading is if the move happens, it usually just goes straight up. And then once it's done, it consolidates and then it reverses. Seldom that we see a day where we just have a nice continuation uptrending day. I can't remember the last time that happened. I remember days, especially last year. Like there were times last year where we just had days where we would just do a slow, steady grind higher all day long. And I can't remember the last time we've had that. I miss it. I miss it. There have been so many zombie rallies. Not okay. I'm talking about a slow grind higher. I'm not talking about a 500 rip higher in 2 hours. I'm not. I'm talking about a 150 point move higher in one day with not much of a pullback, like just a slow grind higher. I know we haven't had those days. Well, at least not unless I was not trading for a day or two. Because now I feel like we should take a short because we're in a downtrend now. It's been showing us that it's just going to continue lower. Most of the market moves come before the New York session. Yeah, that is true as well. Lots of GAM expiring on Friday with OPEC freeze up the market again. Yeah. My worst days are when the market goes straight in one direction. Yeah, Lynn Davenport, that's my best. That's when I have my worst days are the V-shaped reversals. Like is when we have these big moves higher followed by big moves lower and big moves in one direction. That's always my worst time. That's the worst, the worst. Now could take, I don't know, you could take a short here. I don't even know what to do. By the way, I did take a trade on my take profit and trade day accounts. As you can see, I think I had like a $30 loss. I just took a trade yesterday afternoon just so I have a traded day. All right, market. See what happens here at the VWAP. Man, it is. All right, are we gonna get a bounce here? Gosh, I keep thinking that the long here is the play, especially off this VWAP. I might take another stab at it. Oh my word, I keep forgetting my ATM strategy. All right, I keep messing around here. Keep trying, keep buying a downtrending channel here, which is questionable at best. I don't know. This I have no idea. This is I'm getting to the point. I'm getting to the point where it's opposite day. If I'm thinking it's a long, I go short. It's getting to that point. Let's play opposite day. Oh, really, Dan Futures? Yeah, what a joke. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, yeah. But yeah, I'll leave that. Okay. Come on, let's go. Pump it. All right, I'm going to take at least half off here. Can we just get a move higher now? Can we do it? Oh. Hmm. Do I... This really just gonna pull back now? Come on. I'm gonna keep my stop here. I feel like it's worth it. Okay, come on now, get up through the 110s. Sorry guys, I'm just sending an email here. Get up through the 110s. Come on. Go. Oh my word, this is so annoying. I was actually considering taking a buy again here at the 96s, but we could easily dump here, so I'm gonna wait. Oh, this is so annoying. My pace right now is I won't get payout on these accounts until next year. Yeah, I stopped tracking and getting a goal. I might not get another payout for the month of June. That's the reality that I'm facing. And you know what? We're just going to have to be okay with it. Hey, Giorani Trades, it's great to be back. Now, if we can just get the market to listen, it would be great. Look at this. Unreal. Market, you depress me. It's depressing to trade this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, Captain Crunch doesn't make any sense. I'm still trying to get it. It makes 0 sense. 0. And yeah, I don't even. We're having a fight right now. We are fighting a battle right now with them. I want to get a little better understanding, and somebody needs to explain to me what the plan is because it don't make no sense. It's like you want to ban people for going through too many evals, yet we all know we're not stupid. We all know that that is how you make your money. So don't take some kind of high road, what do they say? Don't pee on my head and tell me it's raining. Like, we all know how you make your money, and you're trying to tell me that that's why you're banning people or getting. That's just, no, I don't buy it. It's just so it's just so stupid. Don't make no sense. Hey, Captain Crunch, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Yeah, Keone Borg. I mean, and it's not like they changed the rules. Like, it's just like they now are like, well, we're gonna ban people from buying evals. And it's like, why? Like, and the thing is, like, I get it that like there's a lot of people that just say, or there's a lot of people with the opinion that the only people that are getting banned are people that are profitable, but that's not the case. It really isn't. Like that's and it like there's no rhyme or reason. There's no rhyme or reason, and that's what I'm trying to point out to them. I'm personally convinced that they're just sending out emails to random people. They have no clue what they're doing. That's my stance until proven otherwise. I mean, the incompetence is absolutely insane. But I digress. I mean, I know like the thing that unless there's something happening that I just don't know, there's a chance that that is the case. Like, yes, that is definitely that definitely can be the case. I don't know everything. And I know, like, for example, with Top Step, Top Step does the same thing. If you buy too many evals or reset too many accounts, you get banned. And part of me, I'm like, is there something like, is there some kind of regulation that is going to come down on prop firms? And anyone, like, if they are going through too many evals, it just gets stopped out again. You son of a beautiful person. But anyway, so I don't know. Maybe there is some things happening that I don't know. I guess that could be, but same. It's not a lawsuit, Mr. Wall Street. You are that's just not true. If you could, I mean, trust me, they're protected. If you sign up and you sign the PA agreement, then you are basically agreeing that they can, do what they want. It's not a lawsuit to ban someone from buying evals. Like, how is that a lawsuit? Good luck with that. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. And we're back to the VWAP. I don't know, man. This is brutal. I guess I should have taken my profit probably, but whatever. Well, Keone Borgi, yeah, that's not the case. I have many, many examples of people getting banned with no payouts. So that doesn't hold water. I know it's not the popular opinion that what you want to believe, but it's true. Ask people in chat. There's lots of people that are not even profitable and far from it. So you can't make, I mean, yeah, some judges will let anybody sue anyone for anything. Yeah, it doesn't mean you'll win. Uh. Design knob. I just called the cops. Do you mean banned from buying evals? I mean, banned from buying evals. You can continue to trade whatever you have, and it's a scam, Kevin B. I mean, it's not a scam if you can't buy an eval. Like, come on. It doesn't make sense, but not a scam. You know, as an affiliate, you get a better treatment whether you like it or not. It's just how marketing goes, not just for prop firms. Yeah, Kiona Borgi, I think you're probably true. I wish it wouldn't be like that, but you are probably true. It's probably true. Yeah, exactly. Willie C got the eval ban with only 6K in payouts. Honestly, I'm like I said, I'm of the opinion from what I have seen, from everything I have seen, and from talking to them. I mean, I know things that you don't know either. Like, I know things that I don't really that I've agreed not to make public, basically. And from everything I've heard and from what I've seen, honestly, I think the emails are completely random and make no sense whatsoever. And I think they are just completely like, I think incompetence is their number one problem. No disrespect here to you, but until they ban a big affiliate, this will be BS for the rest of us. I mean, yeah, I don't have much to say to that. I guess, and right now, you're right. Imagine in court the judge asks you how you protect the customer, allowing them to pull a Nutty Bar and buy evals 20 30 a day is not protecting customers. Hey, what? I have no idea what you're trying to say, Mr. Wall Street. Imagine in a court how you protect the customer. Are you saying that they do it to protect, like they have to do that in order to protect the customer? Or that's why you think that they're doing it? I mean, there's a chance that they do it based off of how many evals that you've bought in the last 30 days. Like if you've bought X amount of evals in the last 30 days, then you get that email. That's not what I was told. Like, that's not what I was told. I asked about it because that kind of makes sense that, hey, if you buy a certain amount of evals in the last 30 days, then that would kind of make sense. I was told that's not the case. So I don't know. Unless I'm just, I mean, I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, doesn't even, we might as well talk to a brick wall. We have no idea. Last year, they threw out emails to throw off the traders. I mean, they could do that. That could be. Not a chance I've been complete shit this year and I haven't gotten that email. I started getting all these compliance and video verification when this year my income is more than your expenses. Okay, see, that makes more sense, but then there's other people that isn't the case. Yeah, PAs, then why would you be buying the same amount of evals as you did before? Yeah, exactly, Kevin B. You wouldn't. Oh, wow, look at this. We went right back up. Bounce off the VWAP. Now, are we going to keep going or not? Oh, man. Yeah, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen, Kevin B. Look at it this way, Kevin B. Look at what fast track trading was able to pull off, and look what happened to them. And look what happened in that situation. If you think like, and then you think there's going to be lawsuits because of what? Some people got paid out more than others? Come on. All right, market. This is so annoying. Are we going to get back above the 110s? I feel like this is probably just going to chop back and forth all day long. Why is it so difficult to actually state if you do this, then this will happen, so don't do that? Yeah, I agree. Agreed. They no longer have their cash cow and props popping up every day to do everything they can to limit payouts. Yeah, that's not true either. I don't know, Captain Crunch. I don't know. David Wren. Exactly. All right, we're trying to break above the 110s here. Can she do it? Can we get above the 110s here? All right, 110s. And I guess you could have tried to buy here at the VWAP. Whatever. I thought Eli blew your account's equalizer. No, I didn't blow all of them, but I did a lot of them. That's why we're trading evals. Hey, Jose, how we doing? Good to see you. Wait, Captain Crunch, what are you saying? I should have... Captain Crunch, you're saying that the 5 PAs that you had, that they just closed them out? No way they did that. What do you mean that they just closed them out? Wow, now look at this breaking above. Of course this is now unbelievable. This is why it's so hard to trade this trash. I'll email. It's a long story. I mean, did you ask to get them closed out, or did you close them out on your own? I did not see one single instance where they actually closed it out. Yeah, I saw that too, Equalizer. Yeah, share the details, Captain Crunch. Share it in chat. I want to see it. I want to know. Because there's no way they just did that on their own without asking to asking to have it done. Wow, look at this thing all the way back up. Oh, it's so annoying. Look at this thing go now. It's so annoying. All right, here we go. Breaking out up through the 30s now. Are we going to keep going now? Oh, Di Lorenzo. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. Whoa, look at this rip. All right. Okay, sorry guys. I'm trying to get some of this. Okay, I have no idea. Oh, there's some kind of news that came out. David Wren, right. What irons are you playing with? I'm playing with the TaylorMade QI10 irons. That's what I'm playing with, which I like him. I like him. I can't complain. Do you find the loft too strong? No, I like the loft of it. Yeah, I'm fine with it. I have found, man, just the last couple times playing, I'm not sure why but I'm hitting my irons a lot further than I was. I don't know what the deal is, but oh, and here we go. It's just this is so So untradeable. Untradeable. It's called clean contact. Well, I thought about that too, but man, so my 7-iron. I hit my 7-iron over 195 3 different times yesterday. And usually I hit my 7-iron 180, 185. So I don't know what's going on. And divorced couples trade 20 accounts separately. Boy, if you live in a different household, you probably could. Not in the same household. It wasn't even flyers. It was off the tee. I actually, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. It's weird. Yeah, Joey Freedom, I did think that it might be. Weather conditions play a major part in it. So, yeah, I thought about that too. So if it's hot and humid, does humidity make the ball fly further or not? Because it was really humid, which I kind of thought in my head. I thought, well, if it's really humid, the ball should not fly as far, right? You would think, or that's kind of what I thought, but maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, it's what I kind of thought, and it was really humid. It was really humid yesterday, and I was hitting my irons way too far. So I don't know. It didn't make sense to me. I don't know what the deal was, but anyway. Maybe did you eat a Nutty Bar? I did in the morning, like every morning. Oh, boys. All right, Marky, what are we doing? I don't even think I should trade this. This is bad. A golf ball will generally travel further in humid weather than in dry weather, assuming the temperature is similar. This is because humid air is less dense than dry air, meaning the golf ball experiences less drag. Are you serious? See, that would make sense. It actually can make it fly further. Now, just how is it the air is more dense in humid weather? That does not compute with my brain. Is that true? It can actually make it fly further. No way. In reality, humid air is less dense than dry air. My mind is blown. Are you serious? Someone needs to how? How that doesn't make any sense to my brain. Because water molecules which make up humidity are lighter than nitrogen and oxygen molecules that dominate dry air. No way. Wait, Captain Crunch, now wait, you were saying they wanted videos of strategies, explanations, all that frustrating because they just said last summer they didn't need that anymore because their new software. Okay, so you refused to give them what they wanted. That's why you closed your accounts. Yeah, I figured there was more to the story. Humid air is usually hot, and hot air is less dense than cold air. Humidity is a smaller. Okay, so that would make sense. So if it's warm and humid, the ball will fly further, right? Huh. That would make sense. That would make sense. Now I know. Now I know. So from now on, if I play golf and if it's humid and warm, I need to club down. Okay. See, I learned something. Was it teed up? No, it was off. One time it was just off the tee box with an iron. So not really technically teed up. Interesting, Captain Crunch. Was there a reason that you didn't just, I mean, was there a reason you didn't just comply, or just you didn't feel like it? Same with airplanes. It takes longer to take off in hot, humid air because the air is less dense. Oh my word. I'm learning a lot today, guys. This is good. I would have totally flunked if someone asked me if the air is heavier, if it's humid or dry. I would have lost a lot of money on that. Unless you have a 1 to 5 handicap, are you guys seriously thinking the humidity is affecting your game? It is, trust me, Kevin B. It definitely is. I was hitting my irons 10 yards further than I was previously, for sure. And I'm not a 1 to 5 handicap. Do you tee your ball up on a tee box with an iron? Oh, man. I actually don't, but I might. I don't. I have, but usually I don't. Yeah, I need to use AI more. I need to use AI more. It seems like AI is pretty smart. Yeah, 100% humidity affects the ball flight. 100%. Playing from the ladies to get those 10 yards. No, it was flying too far. Anyway, now I know. See, this is good information. Because usually I was a couple times where I was like 195 away. Especially the one time I was 196 yards away on a par 5. And I'm like, okay. And the green, the pin was in the front, on the front of the green. And I thought, okay, I'm going to hit a 7 iron. I'm probably not going to get it there, thinking, you know, maybe I'll get a little bit of roll. The fairways were pretty hard. So I decided, okay, yeah, you know, that I might be okay. Anyway, and I hit, and I literally hit this thing 210 yards over the green. I was so upset. I hit it right at the flagstick. I thought, oh man, this is going to be great. I thought it's going to be perfect shot. And nope, just over the green. I couldn't believe it. Hey, Josh, I see. I see. Yeah, I will wait and see that when I believe it. That's my stance right now on the whole moving to live. I will believe it when I see it. I've been fooled once. You won't want to fool me twice. The modern clubs have a trampoline face. I mean, and two people in the same household trade at the same prop firm. I'm not sure. I think that could cause issues. I don't think for the most part, most of prop firms will not allow it. I don't think so. Ken Robinson, you've accidentally used your 6 when you thought you had your 9. Yeah, I've done that. Oh, yeah, everybody's done that. It's not good. They say you're a strong candidate. Hey, keep us informed. Keep us informed. Man, I tell you what, this price action is brutal. Are we going to bounce off of the VWAP again? We went from the 80s to the 130s. It's just, this is so icky, yucky price action. Hmm. I really should just call it a day. This is just not, this ain't it. This ain't it, man. My favorite is when someone gets the yardage. It's like 170, they pick up the trees. Yeah, true, true, Matty Matt. You know what my favorite is? When someone does a distance and then they're like, there's like a group of 4 people and the one guy. I just don't even feel like trading this. I don't feel like trading this at all. Our last tourney, they had some caddies at one hole, and the one girl was like, "It's playing longer than it is." Nice. No, I like it when there's a 4-man and everybody shoots the hole, and one guy's like, I got 165. And the next guy's like, no, it's 163. And I'm like, yeah, I think either yardage is going to work. I really don't think we're going to have that big of an issue. 2 yards. I'm not that precise that I'm going to be able to adjust for 2 yards. If you blow your live TradingFay account, can you start all over again? Omar, so the way it works, technically, yeah, you can. But your payout will be moved to the live account. Your payout will be moved to the live account. So, oh my word, look at that thing rip. Oh, that what is this? Guess we just trade the VWAP bounces, huh? The world. Oh man. Do we take it? We take it? Gonna do it. Why not FOMO? Why not FOMO? Don't tempt me with a good time. Let's see. Maybe we can go make another new high or retest the 130s. But you can buy the eval straight to funded accounts, or are they going to stop you after blowing your live account? No, you can still buy accounts, but then if you make it to a payout, Omar, like if you make it to a payout, excuse me, if you make it to a payout, then they, instead of sending you the money for the payout, they will put the money into a live account, and then you have to trade your live account. So, me personally, I think they should, at least allow you to have maybe instead of moving you to live on your sixth payout, maybe do it on your third payout. I don't know. My 2 cents, but whatever. Kevin B, who is that? Tradeify. That's what Tradeify does. Oh, here we go. Rip it. I feel like the safe play would be to take profit here, but I'm kind of greedy. I want to see the 120s. Come on. Push above the 110s. It was a late entry. Yeah, I do agree. Bought a top step account for the Project X platform. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, keep going. Oh, snap. Let's go. Sorry, I'm trying to send an email here. Come on, just fill me. Come on. I might need to close this. Actually, you know what? Let's take off half. Usually don't do partials, but why not? Why not give it a chance to go? Oh, it's gonna don't. We do a we might do a triple top. Look at this market. Unbelievable. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm a little distracted here. Trying to oh my, hang on. Man, this thing is trying to get very volatile all of a sudden. Feel like we want to break out though. Feel like this thing wants to rip. But I don't really want to chase it I don't want to really chase the highs either. I don't really want to chase those highs. Hey, Neo. Captain Crunch. Sorry, I see now. I wasn't gonna. If they invited me back, I do it. But until they can actually sort actual from regular customers. I mean, I get that, Captain Crunch, but why would they invite you back if you refuse to give them what they're asking for? That is how they're weeding out. That is the process of weeding out. So if you're not going to comply, they're going to assume you're doing something that you shouldn't. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but I'm just saying according to that, that's the thought process that is going to be had. Not saying it's right or wrong, but I just wish there was another way. I mean, I trust me. I wish there was another way. I mean, I don't agree with how they're going about doing it, but it's kind of, it's their game, and then we can choose to play it or not. That's basically where we're at. Do I take a? Oh, I feel like I want to take a long here. Urgh. You know what I probably should do? I probably should just walk away, but where's the fun in that? I'm just gonna go with only 3 micros. Are we really gonna come all the way back down again? 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 What is happening? Hey, you know what? I should just leave. I just need this. This is untradeable. Untradeable. Crazy terrible. I just need to stop. Oh, I wouldn't trade. I wouldn't be trading if it wouldn't be evals, but it's also kind of bad practice to trade even if it's just evals. Feel like it's bad. Just so bad. Yeah, that's true. The rollover has been terrible. I mean, I assume we're seeing this because we're probably seeing this because of the FOMC minutes tomorrow afternoon. Man, this is just so ugly. What the heck is oh my word. Why is Scott from FTT back on Twitter? I feel like that guy should be banned. Oh man, this is just crazy. Hey, Stock Tiger, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Look at those accounts looking good. They're just a little red, nothing terrible. FTT Dodona accounts 80%. Now Scott's on Twitter fighting with Uncle Bugatti. Why are people so stupid? Hey man, he just went after Kellyanne like hard. I mean, to think that Kellyanne gave the guy 2 chances, you'd think he would be a little kinder to her, you know? Jeez. This is unbelievable. uh, you know what? You know one thing I'm very, very thankful for? I am so thankful I never fell for that FTT trap. Which you didn't need to be that smart to see that that thing was not a good idea, but, you know, everybody, all affiliates, they were starting to jump ship and they were jumping on that FTT bandwagon hard at one point. Ah. The used car lot. The K trader. That's actually such a great observation. It was the used car lot that posed as a prop firm. Uh Hey, Scratch Your Itch Trading. How's it going? I appreciate that. I appreciate it. If you sell now, you'll miss the big one. Yeah, I don't know, man. I need to walk away. This is just untradeable. It's not even it's just frustrating. It's frustrating. I keep waiting for a breakout and we just keep pulling back, getting stopped out. It's so annoying. So annoying. Hey, Joey Morgan in the building. How we doing, Joey? We're doing all right. I'm thinking about going making me some chicken nuggets. And actually, let me check the weather. It looks like it's going to rain. Do I take one more? So tempted to do it one more time. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? Do the one more trade. One more trade. One more trade. What could go wrong? Okay, I seriously need to start doing my ATM right away, but anyway. All right, let's go ahead. Let's do the old one more trade. That has never gone wrong in the past. Who is keeps calling me? And now Scott deleted the post he just made. I need to stop. What is wrong? Did you stop doing hedged YOLO evals, K Trader? I mean, I haven't done hedged evals in, I don't even remember the last time I've done it. Probably 6 months ago. But yeah, I stopped doing it. Especially, I don't know. I just feel like it's a bad example. High tilt. No, this is gonna be the trade that takes us back to break even. See? Go up, market. You can do it. You can do it. Watch, guys, watch. It's gonna go up to the gonna touch the 125s, and then it's gonna roll over and stop me out. You heard it here first. Yeah, it might be Ben and Rose time. That's true. That's not on. That's fair. I feel like today's one of those days where we could really benefit from some Ben and Rose. A man is healthy if he can laugh his way into oblivion. Very true. Really? UCLA trades? You've been holding long for 2 hours? That's impressive. If you were holding for 2 hours, let me look. So that would be at 10 o'clock. So let me guess. Your entry is around the 75s. Tell me if I'm right. Tell me if I'm close. If your entry is around the 75s and you've been holding long all this time, my hat's off to you, man. You've been long since the open? Okay, that's even more impressive. All right, can we get a breakout? One time, man. Do it for the one time. Come on, do it. Oh, we tickled the 125s. Can we break through it? Come on, market, do it. Do it for the one time. I want to see us get to the 50s. That's the target. Please don't tickle the 125s and then pull back. Okay? Please don't be like that. Please. No, my. Didn't I call it? I said we're going to tickle the 125s and then then it's going to stop me out. If it actually does it, I feel like I should get a little bit of a trophy or something. Very close. Let's go, UCLA trades. I mean, I definitely feel like the longs are the way to go today, but man, it's rough. It is rough. Yes, one time. I'm doing it for the one time. Did you just change your name for the one time? One time. I like it. I like it. Close and go short. Now, I'm not falling for that trap, Lynn Davenport. We're gonna hold. Hold and be bold. Come on. We're gonna make new highs. I can feel it in my loins. We're going to make new highs. We're going to do it. I can feel it in my fingers. Hodor. Hodor. Oh my gosh. What was that? What was that guy saying? Do you guys remember Game of Thrones? Hodor. What was he saying? Oh, I forget. Someone tell me. Oh, please don't do this, market. I don't have the strength. I don't have the mental capacity to sit through this thing. Hodor. Hold the door. Yes. Thank you. Oh man, that was one of the better yeah, because he was holding the door. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. Winter is coming. Hodor. That guy was awesome. Oh man. Hodor. Oh, you gotta respect it. Market, please go up, okay? Jordan to the Hodor. I don't even know if UCLA trades. Is that what you were trying to say or not? But I saw that word, and that's the first thing that came to my mind. First thing that came to my mind was Hodor. That is so sad. It is. Was that what you were trying to say? Let's go, boys. Come on. Actually, hang on, guys. We got to be quiet. Be quiet. Don't say a word. If we get too excited, the market usually gets very offended. Very offended if I get excited. So we just got to pretend like this is another day at the office here. Nothing to see. I'm not even impressed at this point. Exactly, UCLA trades. We're thinking the same thing. We're not even impressed by this move. This is, we're just gotta we can't let the wrong people know that we're winning. The wrong person sees that we're winning. We all know what's going to happen. I don't want to go through that. Tate. We're such a trolls. Why are we so trolly? Scott Treasty from FTT says, oh, okay, I gotta show this. Hang on, I gotta show this. This is too good. Look. Uncle Wagari, have you seen Joom? He's like, we need help. We put it out a milk carton on Joom. And then Scott, he was asking, and then Scott says, companies fail, it happens, customers suffer, blah, blah, blah. And then he says, because here's the fact of the matter. Joom/James, whoever you want to call him, worked at FTT for a short while and got a taste of what running a prop is like. He thought he knew better. Well, Scott, I hate to break it to you, but if he had a different opinion about running a prop firm than you did, he might have been right. He got a taste of it, thought it was easy. In fact, he wanted me to make him head of our customer service so he could change the mindset of our brand. Oh my, what is going? Who was it? Which one of you did dilute? What was that? I'm not even kidding. We're gonna have problems. How? How do you do that? You piece of trash. Absolute garbage. Absolute trash. I don't have any words. I'm out. What kind of BS was that? Oh my word. And you guys keep thinking I'm kidding when I say that I'm going to do a lawsuit against the SEC one day. There is more evidence right there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I literally said, we're going to hit 125 and then it's going to stop me out. Somebody get me a trophy. What the heck? I actually give up. Market can just go fly a kite. I hope whoever was that, whoever caused that, I hope you trip and fall and you break off your big toenail and then you get up and then you bang your shin against your bedpost. But other than that, I wish you well and I wish you happiness and a good life. That's unbelievable. Somebody needs to rewind that, clip it, rewind it, watch it. Mr. Wall Street. That was the me being nice version, okay? I'm not kidding. I'm not joking, market. Don't test me, man. Don't test me. Oh my. Hey, Foo Rar. It's been a while. How's it going, man? What are my rules? My rules are I don't even know. But this right here, this is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. Like what is going on? I give up. I don't even know. That move caused humidity on my golf balls. I don't even think it was news. It literally, it's just terrible. I mean, I guess it's my own fault. I knew I shouldn't be trading, but I decided to anyway. Literally get stopped out. We're right back up to the target. Unbelievable. We were up like $210. Actually sickening. I'm just, I mean, trust me when I tell you, we are all very, very lucky and we are all very, very thankful that that happened on evals. If that happened with my funded accounts, oh, it would not be pretty right now. Oh my goodness. It would be ugly right now. Yeah, this market is nutty. No pun intended. Oh, unbelievable. Oh man. Oh, here's the clip. Oh, thank you. Watch. Watch this. I wish my screen wasn't there. That was me being restrained. I was being very very calm about the whole situation. Oh my goodness. I have no idea, man. I really need to walk away because this is just going to frustrate me now if we rip higher, and I'm probably going to end up chasing it, and then it's going to come back down, and then it's going to stop me out, and then I'm going to go short because why not? And then it's actually going to break out for real, and then we all know how it ends. There you go. I just gave you a full rundown in 5 seconds of what's going to happen in the next 2 hours. You are welcome. Actually crazy. You know, sometimes you just got to be impressed. Sometimes you just got to be like, you know what? That was impressive. Market makers, you just got to tip your cap and just say, good, wow. It's just impressive at this point. Lynn Davenport, you just wrote that down so you could trade it. Yeah. Oh. Hey, the good news is, I'm not even joking. I'm actually not joking. That was actually part of the reason on Monday morning. It was part of the reason that I got evals. Part of the reason that I bought evals to trade was just I was a little bit afraid that we might see some pretty bad price action. And I didn't really want to trade my Apex accounts, but I probably would have if I didn't have evals. So, hey, we'll take it. I need to trade my take profit and my trade day accounts though. I have to trade those, at least take one trade today. Just because I need to register a traded day, but oh man. Oh. Such a frustrating move. Camber trades, you're gonna make that your stop loss sound? You are never going to mentally recover if you do that. I will not take responsibility for if you get stopped out, you might go on tilt just based off the sound. We need to bring back the chat trading. Actually, at this point, chat trading probably wouldn't be a terrible idea. Probably would not be a terrible idea. I mean, this is actually crazy that this was just going nice and higher, no problem. And then we had this one dip to stop. And just so you guys know, my stop was right here, just in case you were wondering. Why am I still here? Keep thinking that we might pull back and I might go one more trade, but trade oil or gold? Oh dear. Now we're really pushing the envelope. Wondering if you know the answer. I have credits for 2 free 25K evals. Do you know if their activation fee after their pass? Reaching out to take. Fufu Rar, I can assure you, yes. If you have free or credit, if you have a credit for Take Profit Trader evals, there will be an activation fee on those accounts. Unfortunately, yes. They will come with an activation fee if you pass them. I've been focused on mastering scalping. Always hated that longer I was in the trade, the more exposed I was to random movements. It's a very, very good point, Camber Trades. It's a very good point. And one thing I have thought about recently, I don't know if you guys remember the time. So some of you guys are going to remember, but last summer I actually traded minis with a 22 tick take profit. And I basically just scalped during the summer. Like during the summer, I went to minis, 22 ticks, and I would just look for a 22 tick move, and that's it. Get in, get out, done. And honestly, been on my mind. I've thought about it. If we're going to start seeing the market shift to this type of price action, I might change. I might change my strategy completely and just do more of an actual scalping mentality. Nutty with the 22 tick take profit and 120 tick stop loss. Good old days. Yes, the good old days. I still remember I would trigger so many people. So many people like, oh my gosh, you can't, you gotta, is that your risk to reward ratio? It's funny though. I remember those days. You are at your max stop loss number. Just stop now before it gets worse. Yeah, Tech or Tech 111. I mean, so these are my eval accounts. My eval accounts, I don't have a daily stop loss. Just to be clear. On evals, I don't have a daily stop loss limit. Honestly, the reason I'm trading these evals is A, I want to pass them and have more funded accounts. Yes. B, right now, I'm trying to figure out my trading. I'm trying to, I don't know. I feel like things need to, I'm just not confident right now in this price action, and I'm not confident in my continuation strategy. I am not confident at all. So I'm kind of using this time to, we might switch things up a little bit, and we're gonna use the evals to do it. But I'm okay. I'm okay having bigger loss days on these evals. Do you no longer use Guardian Angel Trader? No, I do not. I do not. I use Quant Guard for my rhythmic. I use Quant Guard for my rhythmic accounts, which is my Apex PA accounts. These 14 PA accounts, this is what is important. I mean, I'm not saying that evals aren't important, but they're not that important. I would love to pass these, but all right, are we gonna do it again? Gosh. All right. Go ahead. Punish me again. Let's get punished again. I'm like one of those people that has like a fetish to be punished. Feel like that's me today. All right, this might be short-lived. Oh my word. Oh. There is a time though where we just need to walk away. Things are just today's one of those days where I should just reverse every trade. Trader's chick says, "Go sit in the chair, young man." Fair, that's fair. Man. This just can't. I might need to just walk away. This is not really that fun. Okay, go ahead, stop me out. Unbelievable. Ugh. Can't believe it didn't fill me there. Market makers must have thought I got filled. Tough one. Don't tell them. Don't tell them. Don't tell them. You're walking away, Vincentella. That's a good idea. You're being a responsible adult. I'm being a little kid that doesn't know when to walk away. The main number. Actually, you know what? You know what we're gonna do, guys? You know what we're gonna do? Just to make sure that we don't do anything stupid on our evals and then have that carry over into our actual funded accounts, just to make sure we don't do anything stupid. This is what we're going to do. We are going to lock any trading on our funded accounts today. No trading for you. We are done. No trading funded accounts. No trading for you. Now I feel more comfortable now I feel better about continuing to trade. Not that I definitely don't want to blow these evals, but I'm not saying I won't. Come on, market. Give me a breakout, would you please? Oh, bad. Yeah, we're getting stopped here. 100%. No soup for you. Hey, Kiss Me I Cook. Those are trade day accounts. Trade day accounts. Trade day is very similar to Take Profit Trader. And we are stopped out in 3 and 2, 1. Boom. There you go, guys. Who can time out a stop out better than me? Show me one streamer that can time a stop out better than that. You can't. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. Are we really? Please don't go higher now. Don't do it. Oh, this is insane. Actually comical. If this actually rips higher now, this is just evidence number 3,452 now. Oh, really, Win? Well, actually, if you're waiting on accounts right now is probably not a terrible thing. Not like you're missing out on much. All right, there we dip down below. Now I feel better. Hey, Niles, you're back. You missed absolutely nothing. A lot of bad, I don't know. I mean, there's definitely some bad trading and a lot of bad price action and a lot of bad stop outs. But I think I'm going to call it, guys. I'm going to call it. I'm going to go make myself some chicken nuggets, maybe. I'm not even sure what I'm going to eat. You know what? I shouldn't eat. I should go on a fast. We'll see. But I'm done. I'm done. It's probably going to be similar like this tomorrow until we get the FOMC out of the way. I really have very low expectations. So I might go see if I can hit the driving range. Maybe. It looks like it's going to rain, so I don't want to really golf. Look at this. Anyway, okay, guys, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we will be back tomorrow. Take care. Hey, Kiss Me I Cook. Good to see you. All right, take care, guys. And God